GF5, we live. About to get out here on this water, y'all. Alright, y'all. We're getting close to where we want to be. I'm going to go ahead and anchor out. And, I'm going to try and get some of these fish a little bit closer. I'm going to go right in between both structures. Alright, we anchored out in between these, this pile of sticks. Tree just broke off, snap, create a nice little brush pile for the crappie. And then we're right over here where this nice little long log should be a nice little spot for crappie too. Let's get it. Got that good power bait, crappie bites. Got my good little Shakespeare pitch and stick. Y'all know how I like to use these small ones when we on the kayak. Got that good crappie bobber, you know. Boom, you see it. Look how clear that water is, y'all. I hope y'all can see that. We're gonna try the other side of this log now. Like that. We're just gonna sit on top of this log. Sorry, turtles. I'm coming again. Oop, speed bump. It's a beautiful day, y'all. It's a beautiful day, man. It's gonna be 88 degrees. Right now it's probably about 68, 70. There's only one other kayak out here with me. I'll take that, you know. It's supposed to be windy out, but that ain't really bothering me much. GF5, baby. We live. All right. That structure over there, that tree over there in the water is looking real tempting, so we're gonna ease our way over there. Shout out to my fiance, man. You know, I can't go fishing unless I got everything straight at the house first, man. Yeah, it's kind of like permission. But shout out to my fiance. Not giving me grief about going fishing this morning. Trying to go fishing, woman. You guys have any luck? Few little ones, yeah. It'll work. I'm thinking I was gonna find some crappie over here, but I haven't had any luck yet. Yeah, good luck. Yes, sir. What's the name of that there, sir?
Sun dolphin.
Sun dolphin, nice. Did it come with the trolley or you put that on there?
Yeah, it came with the trolley.
Nice, nice. 400? Yeah. Whoa. Nice. I think now's a good time. To see what this clear water look like. So we'll go ahead and put the case on and see what it look like underneath. just scared away the fish, y'all. All right, we're crossing over this creek. All those little minnows, baby bluegill, bunch of bait. What if there was something back there? Alright, here's the big jump. What am I going over here for? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Be some good bait. Ugh. I didn't flex on the back like that. We'll leave you alone, Mr. Frog. Sometimes you gotta go get it. All right, y'all. Getting close to time for me to wrap it up. Haven't had too much going on, but still been nice. Let's see, we got an hour left. So, disappointing fishing video. Still a good fun nature video though. But it almost doesn't matter if you don't get a fish. Maybe next time, I don't know. I might go night fishing, night camping tonight. My buddy wants to go. We'll see how that goes. Man, 4 hours and no fish. And I seen them too. That lets you know. That's how you know that was my first time out on the kayak in a while, because I was swimming up to the fish and scaring them away before I even cast. We'll get better next time, y'all. GF5.